Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by your thoughts, as if your mind is running non-stop? What if there was a way to press pause on all of that, to create a space of peace and clarity, no matter how chaotic your life feels? This is what meditation can do for you. It's more than just sitting quietly with your eyes closed. It's a tool that helps you step back from the noise, offering a moment of stillness and focus. But how does it work? Imagine your mind is like a busy city, traffic, noise, and constant movement. Now picture a place in that city where everything slows down, the cars stop, the noise fades, and there's a sense of calm in the air. This is the shift that meditation creates. It trains your mind to focus on the present, guiding your attention away from distractions and back to what's important. It's like exercising your brain, strengthening your ability to stay calm and mindful, even when life gets hectic. When you meditate, your body starts to slow down, your heart rate drops, your breathing becomes deeper, and you enter a state of relaxation. This shift is called the relaxation response. It's the opposite of the stress-filled fight-or-flight reaction that we experience during anxiety or tension. As your body relaxes, stress hormones like cortisol are reduced, leaving you feeling calmer and more at ease. But meditation does more than just help you feel better in the moment. Over time, it can actually change the structure of your brain. Studies show that areas linked to attention, memory, and emotional regulation become stronger, while areas connected to stress and fear shrink. It's like a workout for your mind, helping you become more resilient, focused, and less affected by everyday stresses. Scene 2. The power of mindfulness. One of the most powerful aspects of meditation is mindfulness, the ability to fully experience the present moment without judgment. It's the practice of noticing your thoughts, but not getting lost in them. Instead of worrying about the future or regretting the past, you learn to simply be. This shift in awareness has been shown to improve mood, increase happiness, and help you feel more connected to the world around you. Scene 2. The goal of meditation. Meditation can take many forms, from focused breathing and repeating a mantra to simply sitting in silence. But no matter the method, the goal is the same: to train your mind to be more present and aware. As you make meditation a regular practice, you may begin to notice changes in your responses to stress, your ability to focus, and your overall well-being. Meditation doesn't work by pushing your thoughts away, it works by allowing you to recognize them, let them go, and return to the present. It's like finding a quiet corner in the middle of a busy street, where you can pause and reconnect with yourself. You don't need to be a monk to experience the benefits. Just a few minutes a day can help you feel more at peace. So, next time your mind feels overloaded, try pausing, breathing, and letting your thoughts settle. It's that simple, and you might just discover a newfound sense of calm in your life. Let meditation be the quiet space you return to whenever you need to slow down, regain focus, or simply take a break from the noise.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.